Michelle Keegan's latest Instagram post has been bombarded with messages from a slew of kinky foot fans. The actress, 34, shared several snaps from her appearance on last night's RuPaul's Drag Race, including a close-up of her crystal-encrusted Alzuarr high heels worth £417. 4. Michelle Keegan was bombarded with messages from kinky foot fans ahead of her Drag Race appearance. Credit, Instagram, Michelle Keegan. 4. The star shared a close-up of her feet in a pair of crystal-encrusted heels worth £417. Credit, Instagram, Michelle Keegan. In light of the glamorous post, the RuPaul star was inundated with a number of comments about her feet by several Instagram users. One wrote, "Your feet look amazing in them heels, romantic face, footprints. Those feet, romantic face." A second commented. A third shared, "Perfect feet at Mish Keegan, romantic face." Another fan remarked, "Nice feet." While a follower added, "Even your feet are fit Keegan, romantic face, romantic face, romantic face." The messages come as Michelle showed off her incredible toned legs in several behind-the-scenes shots from her Drag Race appearance. The Brassic star shared several sizzling photos from her guest star on the BBC series, clad in colorful designer ensemble. The actress looked sensational in a multicolored Dundas mini dress that featured a daring backless silhouette. The star complemented her colorful outfit by working her hair into a voluminous half-up, half-down style and sported a glamorous beauty look. Captioning the post, Michelle penned, "Get your heels on. Let's go, high-heeled shoe, Drag Race tonight 9 p.m. at Drag Race UK BC." In response to her stylish appearance, the RuPaul star's post was inundated with messages from fans branding her look stunning. One penned, "Everything about this, romantic face, fire. Stunning perfection, fire, 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 clinking glasses, clinking glasses," another commented. A third added, "Wow, love this outfit, you look great, enjoy out, smiling face with hearts." Former Coronation Street star Michelle joined the Drag Race UK vs The World judges panel alongside BBC Radio 1 DJ Clara Amfo. The TV queen had to fill in the blanks given to her by the judges. 4. She slipped into a Dundas mini dress for the TV event. Credit, Instagram, Michelle Keegan. 4. Michelle rounded off her look with a pair of colorful crystal-encrusted hoops. Credit, Instagram, Michelle Keegan. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.